So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to grow on TikTok, but more importantly, how I'm making around $1,000 a week through my TikTok content. There's many different strategies out there, but if you learn how to make money using TikTok, this is the perfect video for you guys. From getting new followers to go ahead to monetizing your brand on TikTok, this is a great way to build passive income, to make money online, and more importantly, use it as an opportunity to change your life forever. So if you guys are new and tuning into the channel for the first time, if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, I would be a little upset, but if not, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It truly goes a long way. So TikTok has been a platform that I've been playing with for a little over a year now. My friends always used to tell me, why are you posting on TikTok? They even said, what is the ROI? What is your return on your investment for all the time that you're spending posting on TikTok? Now looking back, I would love to just be like, hey, watch this video, guys. But now I have the ability to share with them, hey, we're making around $1,000, $800 to $1,000 every week posting content on TikTok. Now there's many different ways that you can do it, which I'll share in a second, but I just want to share with you guys what you can do to get started for yourself, because there's so many ways to make money online, and I feel like this is one of the best ways right now in 2021 for you to begin making money online. Now we all want to start building brand. We all want to start making money on social media, and you might be asking, how can you do this? Now the first thing you want to do is focusing on building audience. Now your audience, the amount of followers that you have, is the amount of not clout, but amount of social power that you have. And the more social power, the more followers, the more people that you have behind your mission, the more money that you're able to make as an influencer. Now it's crazy to think that I could be considered an influencer on TikTok, but the truth is brands are reaching out to me, which I'll share in a second. But the first thing you want to do is focus on building a community. Now I talked about how you want to have as many followers as possible, but you want to have the right followers. Now there's people out there that are having millions of followers, but they have the wrong type of followers. They have not the right content. And what you want to do is start finding a way to build a niche, build a community, go live, build real relationships for the people on your TikTok, because if you want to actually grow and make money, brands and people are going to ask you to promote products, but if they have consumers that are coming to your channel that are not real people, then they're not going to go ahead and pay you for the content. Now this all kind of changed, and for me, I started to see some traction in my TikTok, my personal brand, and for me to start making around $800 to $1,000 a week was also the goal of hitting my first 100K on TikTok. Now for me, this was a huge deal. We've been pushing out 3 to 4 videos every day. We've been grinding on TikTok, and finally we hit 100,000 followers about 4 to 5 months ago on my TikTok. But once I hit that 100K, it was a big deal for me. Not only was I starting to get people reaching out for me, a great little hack or creator tip that I'd love to share with you guys to start making money is to make sure you have your email, your contact list, all that stuff can be found in your TikTok creator account. Because if people are trying to sponsor your posts or going ahead and try to pay you for some type of content, they have to go ahead and connect with you. So link your Instagram bio, they'll also DM you as well. So what I did to get my first 100,000 followers, now I made another video about this, but what you guys want to do to go ahead and jumpstart and start building followers on TikTok, which is going to lead down the road you making money on TikTok, and what has led to me making money on TikTok, is go ahead and produce as much consistent content as possible. Consistently be on the platform, build audience, and make sure you're trying to find your niche. And then you're going to be on your way to actually have a strong 100,000 followers, which brands are going to notice, and they're going to be more willing to reach out to you because you're actually producing great content and you have the opportunity to sell to a great and real audience. So what I want to share with you guys is the actual process of making money on TikTok. How does it all go down? How are you getting paid? The first thing I'm doing is I'm having brands reach out to me personally. Now, like I said, the more followers you get, the more consistently you continue to grow, and the more viral your videos go. There's a lot of media companies out there that are searching for TikTok influencers. Right now, this whole influencer marketing is continuing to boom, so companies are just trying to find people behind their products, put faces on, and go ahead and get attention to their products or service. So what they're doing is reaching out to me. I have about 3 to 5 DMs every day of new companies, and also companies and businesses are reaching out to me via email and asking for sponsored posts. Now you might think, how much should you be charging per post? Now a lot of them are going to say that they only have a $100 budget or $50 budget, or we'll help you with an affiliate program. But what you want to do that allows you to make money on TikTok is to set a rate for how many followers that you have. For example, for me, I have a little over 200,000 followers on my TikTok, so I charge anywhere between $300 to $500 per post. That is a minimum, and if they're not going to be willing to pay it, then I'm not going to go with that brand. But the problem is brands think they can get a great deal off of you without having to pay any money. but they're wrong. They want your audience. So typically they would say, hey, my budget is $100. I'd be like, hey, my minimum is $300 to $500. Let's meet in the middle and let's do it for $400. Yes or no? And typically they'll say yes. Let's go ahead and do it. So being negotiable makes them want to actually pay, and more importantly, they all want you. So go ahead and set a price for your services because it takes time to post content on TikTok. Now, the next great way and innovative way to continue to monetize your TikTok profile is to sign up with all these different apps that are out there. For example, I'm using an app called Collabstar. I'll put it in the bio below. But basically, it's trying to connect creators with brands, and people that are trying to sponsor either products or services are going to find you on this platform. Now, this just allows you to monetize your content at one place and allows that platform to basically connect you to someone who's trying to pay you, which is super simple. So go out there and connect yourself with 3 to 5 platforms like this, Collabstar, as many different outlets that are going to try to connect yourself as a creator to people that are willing to pay you. So get yourself out there through organic reach, personally posting your own content, and having DMs, having emails coming to you. It takes time to respond to these emails, but people are going to offer you cash once you get them going. And typically for me, I'm getting around $800 to $1,000 in offers every week, which I'm continuing to turn down. Is also accept certain offers, which is absolutely incredible all through TikTok. Secondly is to go out there and start putting your name, your face for content creators like yourself to get found by brands, and they're going to start reaching you out through a third party kind of outlet source, and you're going to start making money that way. And the last point that I want to share with you guys on how to make more money on TikTok using this is kind of strategic, and more importantly, a philosophy that I use allow me to get more brand deals, as well as how I'm not going out there and just selling my audience, because my audience is the most important asset in my brand, because without a strong audience, then I can't make money on this platform. And honestly, I am not promoting any products that I don't believe in, as well as I don't think I should represent, because there's a certain amount of people that I want to work with, and there's a lot of people that I don't want to work with. But more importantly, I don't want to have anybody that's trying to set contracts, as well as I don't want to go out there and sell similar products or sell things that I don't believe in. And more importantly, even better, I don't want to go out there and create an ad that people know it's an ad. So a lot of my content is actually being produced on my TikTok. What you guys need to do as well is to create content that is not going to be seen as an ad. There's about 1 to 2 posts that I post every week that people don't even realize are actual ads and I'm getting paid for. But the problem is, it's just a strategic way for me to, have some fun, make money, produce great content that my audience is going to enjoy, and also counterbalance the ability to make money and monetize my TikTok. So being super creative, utilizing this platform, and then the end goal, making some money, is something that I'm working to. Now, you might think $800 to $1,000 isn't that much a week, but this is just a starting point. Now, this is all kind of changed around 3 to 4 months ago when I started really getting reached out by some really popular brands. I'm just continuing to build this online. But if you guys need help growing on TikTok, growing on social media, personally, I would love to help you. What I would say, guys, is continue to be consistent. This is taking hard work. Now, $800 to $1,000 a week isn't nothing compared to how much I've been working, as well as the past year I've grinded on this platform. The amount of people that say no, don't post on TikTok, the amount of hate that I got, and more importantly, I'm finally seeing a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel and making money. And getting monetized on TikTok is an absolute great feeling, but I wanted to start this YouTube channel to help you do the same thing. The power of social media is absolutely incredible. I think we are just getting started. Well, if you have 1,000 followers right now on TikTok, 0 followers on TikTok, or even 100,000 on TikTok, it is a great opportunity for anyone to start posting on TikTok, building an audience, and start making money online through social media. You've probably heard of the power of making money on YouTube, as well as all these different platforms. But once you build a brand, once you go out there and get followers around what you love, then the sky is your limit. You can make as much money as you want. You can go ahead and monetize as much things. Brands are going to reach out to you. It's just a great opportunity. So like I said, guys, we're going to continue to post. We have a lot of live videos that's helping build this audience on TikTok. And more importantly, it's like a full-time job. I'm doing this from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. at night, TikTok, YouTube, and just trying to put the grind in. So one day we can make as much money as we want online, and I can help you do the same thing as well. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, you've made it this far, 10 minutes and 40 seconds. I don't know if that's right. If you have not yet subscribed, I would be a little upset, as well as hit me up with any questions, comments, concerns, and be sure to smash that thumbs up button. It truly goes a long way. Love to hear about your week. Would love to hear about what you guys need help with. I'm here to help, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peter Roberts is out. Love you guys. As always, take care. Peace out.